Today I'm going to be showing you how to filter your Cannabis E-Juice. Your THC E-Juice might be full of waxes, lipids, fats, and other contaminants that make it slightly opaque. If you want your THC E-Juice to be completely transparent, you're going to have to filter it to remove the fats. Here you can see 5 milliliters of Cannabis E-Juice that hasn't been filtered yet. The way I normally remove these contaminants is by filtering them through a syringe filter. There's a link in the description where you can purchase the syringe filters. They're fairly inexpensive at less than $1 each. Simply attach the filter to the syringe and then press down on the syringe. Be careful not to apply too much pressure. You want one drip approximately every 3 to 6 seconds. Your hands may cramp a little. You can see in the video that I'm switching hands quite often, but the filtration is worth a little bit of a hand cramp. I like to leave the last little bit and put it into a separate container just to prevent any bit of contaminants from making it through the filter. As you can see, there's a huge difference. Whereas prior it was cloudy due to the fats, lipids, and other plant matter that was in the concentrate, you can see now that your E-Juice is completely clear and transparent.